so hi, my name is Abimbola. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to this wig video. They were in pin curls. That didn't work out. I don't know how to do all that. I do not. I barely know how to do this, as you can see. Anyway, so I colored this wig with paprika and honey blonde, and this wig is actually from Amazon. It's a little birthday joke, because you know my birthday today, and you know, Aries gang. Okay, I'm done. Stay tuned. So this is the wig straight from Amazon. I left the link in the description box below if you would like to order it. It is a 20-inch 613 body wave wig. It has adjustable straps, 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the back, and 1 in the middle behind the lace. I'm using the Adore colors paprika and honey brown to dye the hair. I'm also using the hot water method because it's really simple. And make sure that you test your water with a paper towel before you dip your wig. As I was dipping in my wig for the first time, I realized that it wasn't dark enough and it was kind of patchy, so I went back and put more paprika and honey brown, made sure that I put massive amounts of honey brown, and then dipped it again, and it came out the perfect color. Okay, so now I'm going ahead and tweezing the hairline. Not too crazy though, because this is my first time like actually customizing a wig by myself entirely. So I go around the perimeter of the hairline with my tweezers first, just very, you know, loosely. And then after, I part off the front section of the hairline, or like the front row of the hairline, and then I tweeze behind that to make the hairline look more natural. I go ahead and tweeze my part to make sure that the hairs aren't too close together, because that doesn't look natural either. And then I brush the hair back and like kind of in a style to see how the hair looks, and if there's any mistakes, I'll go back and fix them. Taking some foundation powder to put on the lace to make it look more brown, but an easier way to do this is just to tint the lace. I should have did it, don't know why I didn't, but here we are. So now I'm going ahead to actually installing the wig. I'm cutting my lace into sections to make it easier to glue down. It's still difficult, that's a lie. It's still hard, especially if you're a beginner like me. But then I'm using the Got To Be Glue styling gel in order to glue my lace down. And you have to wait for it to dry. Don't be impatient like me. And honestly, ignore these pin curls. Ignore these pin curls. They're not real. They never happened. All right. So after gluing it down, of course, I cut the lace off, and now I'm taking out these horrible pin curls. Like, do y'all see this? Like, not one curl is going the right way. Maybe that one, but like, that's it. Yeah, it was just a fail. I'll get a wand or something, because this was just sad. Like, y'all, look how, and like, look how disappointed I am. Like, you can see it in my face. And this is where I realized that I need to straighten the shit. And this is the finished look once I straighten my hair. And that's it. You guys did it. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see y'all next time.